Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Last week I did a ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick decluttering. Now today we're going to be doing a decluttering of my other lip products as well as an inventory check. So it's going to be liquid lipsticks, lip balms, and lip glosses. Traditional lipstick bullets I'm going to save for another video. I'm going to start off with two that are limited edition and there's no real point in me dwelling on these. These are from the Kylie's Valentine's Day collection for I think 2018, 2019, I can't remember. But she came out with 3 of these. I can't find the last one. And like I said before, it doesn't matter because you can't get these anyway. So there's the Forever Soulmate set and the, what is this one? The Love set. And I forgot what the third one's called. I don't support Kylie Cosmetics anymore. I do enjoy these products except for the lip liners. I feel like you don't get a lot of products, so there's really no point. I almost ran out the first time I ever lined my lips completely and filled them in. So I didn't see a point in that. The actual formulation of the liquid lipsticks is really nice. So I really love it. I really love their glosses. But like I said before, I haven't purchased anything from this brand and I no longer will. So I can't tell if their formula has changed, at least for their lip gloss or their lip liners. But these are nice in my collection. I'm not going to get rid of them just yet. Alright, I don't even know where to start. So we have a couple of these Essence Mood lipsticks. They're basically like lip balms that change color, you know, that little gimmicky thing according to your temperature and stuff. And then it kind of leaves a bit of a stain. I really love these. I think there's one more that I'm missing. I don't know where it is, but or maybe 2 more. I don't know, because sometimes on Ulta's website they'll take away some of these. I really love these. I think they're great. They're fun. If you're a preteen getting into makeup, these are also really fun. They're very easy on the lips. They're not drying, and the stain that they leave on your lips is actually quite nice. So this looks like a black, but obviously once it's on your lips it turns into a nice light pink, and these are really cool, so I am going to keep these. So we have 4 of those. We have this LA Girls Matte Flat Pigment Gloss. I decluttered a bunch of these off camera a while ago. This is the only one that I kept. This is in the color Frisky. It's such a beautiful red. These are very drying, but they do last really long. So I'm going to hold on to it for a little bit more, see if I could get some wear out of it. But yeah, all the other ones I got rid of because I don't feel like they were worth it. Next, we have this little lip gloss from Essence. I'm going to get rid of it. It's like a lip gloss stain type of thing. I got it for free somewhere. I don't even remember. I'm going to get rid of it. I don't really like it. It's a weird formula. Like it's a lip gloss, but it's a lip stain at the same time. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother to swatch it, so I'm gonna get rid of this. So, oh gosh, I have a lot of caked liquid lipsticks. I was kind of collecting all of them. They're called something else now. They were at first they were caked makeup, then they were half caked. I don't know what they're called anymore. I absolutely love them though. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7. There's more. I don't have their whole entire color range. Once upon a time, I had their entire color range, but they have since expanded their line. I don't hear enough people talk about these. These are really nice. I featured them a long time ago on my Instagram, and I think I did a video swatching all of the first ones that they ever had. But that was a couple years ago, and like I said, they've come out with more. I feel like I'm missing some. But yeah, these are really nice. I'm gonna insert a picture of my swatches. Just keep in mind they're a little bit messy, but these are the most comfortable liquid lipsticks aside from the NYX soft lip ones. These are the most comfortable ones that I've ever tried, so I'm definitely gonna keep them. Packaging is really cute, but it has since faded up a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to move these because I am keeping these. So we have 9 of these. Next, we're gonna do Lime Crime just because I have the most of these. So some of these are really old classic Lime Crime. Like I got them when they first launched, and then the rest are just ones that I picked up like years later during a good sale. Alright, so I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm pretty sure I have more elsewhere, but honestly, I have lip glosses all over my house. So this is what we're gonna say is in my makeup inventory for now, because if I wait to try to grab all of them, it's never gonna happen. I'm a mess. I have 7 here, absolutely amazing. The ones that I had longest are Red Velvet and Pink Velvet. And then everything else, this is another Pink Velvet actually. So I ended up, I guess, repurchasing it for whatever reason. I don't know. But these are newer. You can tell the packaging is a little bit different. I think the formula is great. A little bit more drying than the caked ones. I also have a lip gloss. So they don't even make these anymore. I got this at IMAX like 2014. This is Cherry on Top. An amazing lip gloss. Amazing packaging. It's very sticky though. And I don't know if it's any good anymore at this point. But I used to love this lip gloss. So let me give you a swatch. It's just super pigmented, super glittery, shiny, smells amazing, smells like vanilla. Absolutely loved it. I wish they would bring these back, honestly, because they're really nice. As for these shades right here, they all kind of tend to look alike. Okay, I'm definitely missing some. You know how I know that? Because there's some like brown ones that I'm missing that I got, like Salem and stuff, and I got them on sale and I didn't end up wearing them. So this is Riot Cupid Faded Then we have True Love. What's this one? Pink Velvet again, and then Red Velvet. So I'm definitely missing some. This is not my whole collection, but honestly, like I said before, it doesn't really matter because I find makeup in the weirdest spots sometimes in my house. So these, I really love the formula. They are more drying than the caked ones, but less drying than the ColourPop ones that I got rid of. So we have 7 of those, and then we have 1 of these lip glosses. I'm not going to get rid of any of these. Honestly, I'm a little sentimental with them, and I really like how they perform. So now we're going to go over the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. These are amazing. Absolutely love them. I have run out of some in the past, and I've repurchased them. That's how much I love these. They are very affordable, and they are great. It takes some getting used to, honestly, but they're just so nice. So I have this one in Athens. Then we have it in Cannes, and we have Monte Carlo, and then we have it in Antwerp. I think Antwerp was probably my first one I ever got. These are great. I definitely recommend them, especially if they're buy one, get one 50% off at Ulta or at your local drugstore. They are definitely worth the money because they're just a great lip stain without having to pay more than $10 for it. So slight change here. 2 of those soft NYX lip creams have dried out, the first 2. So I'm only keeping the last 2. Okay, so we're going to move on to some ColourPop blotted lips. I talked about their other blotted lips in liquid form in the other video that I will link up above or down below. But these are like in stick form. I really like these. I'll be honest, I haven't gotten a lot of wear with them, but I do want to keep them just because they are quite nice. And I like this type of lipstick formula. It kind of reminds you like a bullet lipstick. They're a little bit dry, not in the sense of on your lips, but more so just applying them. They feel a little bit dry, like they don't glide on super easily on your lips, but I still really like them. And I'm gonna keep these. So this raspberry one is Ice Cube, and this like terracotta brownish color is in Candy Floss. Then we have it in Drip, which is another brownie color. Not a big fan, but that's fine. And this really cute pink one is in Brain Freeze. I like it. I forgot to talk about this earlier. This is a Lime Crime Diamond Crushers. So this is kind of like their newer lip glosses. I mean, they've had these for a while, but compared to the other lip gloss I showed you, this is in the color Summer. I got this free with an eyeshadow purchase. So these are really pretty shimmery colors, but they are kind of gritty, just like the cap feels gritty. I guess that's why they call them Diamond Crushers. They do have a bit of a grit to them. I don't really mind too much. Let me swatch it. It's not even the most flattering color, honestly, but I am going to keep it. But once you spread it out, it's like that like shimmeriness to it. I kind of like it. It's not bad. I'm going to hold on to it just a little bit longer because it is relatively new to my collection. Next is a product that I am getting rid of. This is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Rubino. Really pretty, but it's too deep of a red for me. I've had this sitting here for a while. This was like a sample size. Very nice formula. And I think the doe foot applicator on this is nice too. But this is not a color that I'm going to be wearing anytime soon or at all because I've had this for like, I don't know, 2 years maybe. And I've never once touched it. It's just not a color that looks good on me. Next is a Tony Moly like lip balmy type of thing. This doesn't really have much pigmentation and is not meant to. It's a little bit on the orangey side. This is just really cute. It's their Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. It is absolutely adorable. This is the first thing I ever purchased from Tony Moly. I have had this for quite a few years. The packaging is adorable. It's just a little bit dirty. Really cute. I mean, look at that face. I might keep this and just put it in a purse so that I'm forced to use it. Let me see if it smells any weird. It doesn't smell weird or anything. I don't know. I know it's kind of old. I'm gonna hold off on it. Put it on the maybe pile. Next, we have this one, which is another like Korean or Asian beauty line. This is in Lolly. I forgot where this is from. I got it on Ulta, but this is a beautiful color. I like the formula. It came with a lip liner that ran out, just like I was talking about the Kylie Cosmetics one. It ran out, and there's no point in having it be a duo set when the lip liner only makes it through one use. But this is really nice. I don't even know if they still sell this brand. I don't even know what it's called. I can't even see it. I am going to keep it, actually. It has ice creams on it, too. It's pretty cute. We have 2 Kat Von D liquid lip thingies. I got these years ago. These are both in the color Lolita, which was a very popular, this was all the rage many years ago. These are both technically the same color, but they're actually very different when they're swatched. So I'm going to swatch them right now for you. I don't remember which one I had first, but I guess they just changed the color halfway through, or maybe it was just a bad batch. So that's one of the Lolitas. And now let me do the other one. One, or just get rid of both. Oh, okay. Honestly, now it doesn't look that different, but I swear back in the day, this looked different. I think the one I just applied is the older one. It feels much drier than the one on top. I don't know if I should keep these. Obviously, I don't support Kat Von D anymore, but it's been announced that she's no longer a part of the brand. I don't know, you guys. I might keep these. I'm gonna put that in the baby pile. Next product is one that I'm getting rid of. This is from Ulta Beauty, their Color Rush Lip Gloss. It's in the color Olivia. I don't touch these. I never touch them. I think I'm just gonna get rid of it, honestly. I have a bunch of lip glosses. We haven't even started with all the lip glosses that I have. It's pretty old too. Okay, so I have 2 right now, but this is a set of lip products from the brand Tarte. This was like a holiday kit. There's like 2 more. I don't know where they are. I really like these. So these are a lipstick and a lip gloss at the bottom. Very, very creamy. Almost so creamy that I feel like the formula doesn't last that long on my lips, but I really like it. The lip gloss and the lip bullet are almost the exact same shade for all of these. I will be keeping these because I got these like in December. This was an impulse buy. This is my shopaholicness because I really didn't need these, but they're really beautiful. Although they're almost like when you swatch them, they almost all look alike. They're all in that same color family where it kind of like if you don't hold them side by side, it kind of looks like you're like the same product. But I really like these, and I've been getting a decent amount of wear on them just because they don't dry out my lips. All right, there's no other lip products in there. Now we're gonna go to my lip gloss. I'm gonna pull out the ones that are from MAC, which is like 3 of them, but I don't know where the other one went. I swear I just had it. This is terrible, guys. I just lose all my makeup. So I have 2 matte lip glosses, I guess. One is from the Betty collection. What is this? The Betty Veronica collection. Archie's Comics. There we go. This is before Riverdale ever came out. And then we have one from the Selena collection. I have used both of these quite often. I really enjoyed the formula. If it wasn't for the price, I would definitely like to explore some MAC lip glosses, but at the price that they're at, I don't really think it's worth it. I'm going to take care of this one, and the rest are ColourPop and NYX. So this is one from Too Faced. This is their Pink Swan lip gloss. It came out in one of their limited edition, not 2019, but 2018, one of their holiday collections. It's a really pretty pink, shimmery, frosty lip gloss. It's hard to see. It's kind of subtle. I'm going to keep it because I barely used it, and I kind of want to try to get some use out of it, and the packaging is really cute. Do you see those swans? I like it. Now let's get rid of this ColourPop one. So this is a So Juicy plumping gloss. I don't really feel like they're very plumping. I don't really like this type of lip gloss applicator anymore. Like when I was younger, I definitely didn't mind. And if it was a clear gloss, I probably wouldn't mind. But this is pretty pigmented, and I just feel like it makes a mess of my lips. Like I just don't have the patience to apply them nicely. I prefer the other lip gloss that ColourPop has, the ones that come like this, that I no longer see on their website. But I am going to keep this anyway. This is in Big Slice. It came from the Watermelon collection. Okay, I forgot to mention this one too. This one is the Sexy Mother Pucker Extreme Plump from, I'm thinking this is the Balm. This was nice. I mean, I've had it for so long that it doesn't have any burning sensation or anything. The effects that it gives on your lips I think are very minor with these types of things, but I'm gonna keep it because I have very little left, so I kind of want to use it up and put it in an empties video, but it's not bad. Okay, there's one more thing I want to get through before we do the butter glosses. This is from Bare Minerals. This is their Marvelous Moxie Buttercream. I really did like this. This is in Must Have Pink, but it's very old. It's actually kind of sticky. I just don't think I'm going to get much wear out of it, but the color is really nice, and the formula actually feels really good too, surprisingly. All right, so we're down to the last couple of products. These are the NYX Butter Glosses. Believe it or not, these are my most recent like lip gloss purchases. I got these, I want to say like in November of 2019, even though these were like really popular like a couple years ago on YouTube. I did have 2 of these a couple years ago, and I decluttered them, and then I just ended up repurchasing them again like a dumb butt. Like I don't know why I did that. This one's still sealed. This is in Fortune Cookie. It's a little bit too nude for me, I think. But I'm going to keep these. I wear these mostly when I am filming videos. Tiramisu is probably my favorite, followed by this one right here, which is Strawberry Cheesecake. And what other one do I really love? What are you? Creme Brulee does not look good on me. Neither does Maple, whatever you are. Tiramisu is my favorite one. This just has a nice formula. It's not sticky. It's super pigmented and smooth on the lip. Very buttery, like the name would suggest. I definitely love these, and I'm not going to get rid of them. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. It is quite a mess over here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you missed the ColourPop decluttering, I will have it linked down below as well. Thank you so much. If you made it to the end, then I will see you guys next time. Bye.